Alright, so what I got here, got some headlights. Some brand new headlights or headlamps for a 2008 Dodge 1500. Here we change them out. So what I see is there's two bolts right here that come out, 10 millimeters. And there's a plug back here on the fender, as you can see. Pull that out and get to the other. Yeah, get to the other bolt there. This should allow me to get the headlamps out. Okay, we've got it all done. New headlights on. Place those screws like I talked about. Let's see what it looks like all shut up. Well, gave it a new life. Well, I'll be able to see at night, that's for sure.